Hey everyone, welcome back. This evening we are continuing with the Heritage Hill week. Now in my last video I used the released version of Midnight Ride. This was the sample soap that they sent with the second scent that we were trying that works beautifully in this. This is a small batch, but in the production run, the scent didn't bond, didn't anchor to the base. So this version smells different than the production version. And this is still really freaking amazing. And sadly, this is the only tub of this scent from Heritage Hill in existence. So it is one that is used sparingly. But because it is Heritage Hill week and Midnight Ride did release, I'm using it, at least a little bit. The brush this evening is the PAA Peregrino. Beautiful, beautiful knot. I think this is, I can always forget what it's called. I think it's a ghost knot. Very soft, very nice feeling on the face. Very easy to display. Yet, enough backbone to whip up a great face lather or bowl lather. I did have this soap soaking a little bit while I was in the shower. The bowl this evening is once again the Hendrix Classics & Company stainless steel bowl. And the razor is going to be one of my favorites. It's one I used not too long ago in video. That's the Focus Slim. I love this thing. This is probably my favorite half DE razor. DE Chevette, I should say. Because I have a few razors up here that take half DEs. I'm looking at the Eco right now, Eco, whatever. And the one from Yachi. I can't remember what that's called. The Katana, I think? I don't know. And I can't say half blade or single edge because all my Chevettes are single edge. And of course I have the Sabre, which is still my goat. All right, this has a fresh Persona Lab Blue blade. I think I could have got this a little bit more hydrated. It's not quite falling off after just the cheeks, but it's a little bit of assistance, a little bit tap, tap, taparoo. It does fall off. So, still a very nice lather. Always get a good lather with Heritage Hill. Speaking of, if you watched my last video, again, apologies for not being able to do the brush giveaway. I'm really bummed about it, as are the folks at Heritage Hill. They were not happy that they had to tell me they couldn't do it. They apologized profusely for not being able to give that away. I said, you know, things happen. So, you know, don't worry about it. Stuff happens. No big deal. The other giveaway, still very generous. That lighter and knife are super sick. I wish I could get it, but I can't. Oh well. Someone else is going to really enjoy that lighter and knife. Though I'd be afraid to carry the knife around because of that nice engraving on it. This one would probably use it at home only. So now I'm curious. If you were to win that lighter and knife giveaway that's going on, check out my last video on how to enter that. Would you carry those daily? Would they be a daily carry product for you? Would they be one that you use on special occasions? Or would they just sit at home and be displayed? Lovingly displayed. Curious what y'all think. Now, if they could do the brush giveaway, that's where it would get used. Personally, I think I'd use a lighter at home. I would carry it. I'd have a hard time using that on out and about. Well, I don't usually use a lighter anyway. For much, I don't smoke, so I don't usually carry a lighter. But I'd keep it home to, you know, start stuff on fire at home because occasionally you need to burn stuff. Under a safe, controlled environment, kids. Be safe. The knife, I'd have a hard time carrying that too. I'd probably sit on my desk in my office and get used occasionally around the house. Not too often, just occasionally. So, curious what y'all would do. This shit is going really nicely. Really well. I really love Heritage Hill. Man, what a week. What a week. I've been working on 2 projects at work. I've been trying for what feels like 2 weeks to get a resource from a partner company assigned so we can kick this project off for a product that we offer that's being kind of rebranded as one of our products, or it's renamed to one of ours, but we're not hiding it's powered by this other company. So, you know, we call it this, powered by the other company. And it's brand new. There's currently 1 implementation of this product underway in the Philippines. Or I don't know if it's in the Philippines, but it's by an implementation manager that's in the Philippines. So he's doing that. My coworker that's helping me with this is helping that I am. We have 2 that he and I are working on. And I heard today we've been assigned a 3rd. We didn't have an official like handoff email with a contract and everything. It's a full multi-spectrum implementation with other multiple teams involved and yada, yada, yada. So that will be interesting. I don't know when it's kicking off. Don't know who's in charge of that one. As far as the main portion of the implementation, I'm just doing this one part of the project. I've already asked for a resource to be assigned. Hopefully that happens soon. Because I don't know when this is kicking off. I don't know if this is supposed to be, what I'm implementing is in part of phase 1, 2, 3, 5, 20, whatever of this project. I would call with my boss tomorrow, our weekly one-on-one. So I'll be talking about that, asking about it. Because I need some details about this thing. Oh. I'll get myself there as being a little weird. User error. Not the soup. Kind of surprising I'm gonna get myself there last night, because that was an interesting area yesterday. I was just being weird. Didn't want to shave properly. I don't know if you're just having a hard time getting the angle on this tonight. I've noticed for me, when I use the focus after I use another Chevette, the first shave with the focus after I did Chevette right before that is always a little rough because the angle is different. It takes a little bit to adjust. If I use a DE and then go into this, it's much easier to adjust. So when I cut myself with the focus, it's usually because I had a Chevette shave the night before with something else. Because the angles are different. And for some reason, it's always like right on this side. Not usually over here, right there. It's usually right there where I get myself most of the time. I think I've been used to it by now. Oh well. All right. Dog snoring in the other room. That's what she does. All right, now I'm going to clean up. I'll be back with the post shave. All right, so just to recap for the shave, I used the unreleased small batch, one of a kind Midnight Ride from Heritage Hill. Beautiful, beautiful scent. I really wish this could have been released. But the one that got released is just as good, if not better than this one. They're slightly different, but they're both phenomenal. You won't go wrong with the released version of Midnight Ride. The razor was Ewan's favorite Focus Limb with a brand new Persona Lab Blue blade, I think is in there. I don't remember. The PAA Peregrino with a ghost knot, phantom knot, something like that. Really soft, but plenty of backbone. Beautiful, beautiful stuff there. That was whipped up in the HC&C stainless steel lather bowl. For post, I didn't use witch hazel. What I did use instead was Heritage Hill Beta Balm. So balms should be coming soon, as well as a splash sometime this year from what I'm told. So their balm, fantastic balm. And I also added a little bit of the same scenting oils that were made or used for this soap. So, phenomenal shave. Again, thank you to Heritage Hill for this collaboration. I thoroughly enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun. And if you haven't checked out Heritage Hill, try their products. It's $10 for 3 ounces, and it's super, and it's hard soap. I mean, you can see push pretty hard, you can barely see a little indent on my finger there. So it's a hard soap. A little bit goes a long way, so it'll last a while. Anyway, before I continue on rambling, thank you guys for tuning in. Thanks to the old subscribers, the new subscribers, those that watch that aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And for those that are still here, thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all next time.